So what does this actually mean, and what documents will we see? So specifically, the judge has asked TikTok to search for documents surrounding specifically just the office visit and the live stream incident. For the office visit, this could mean things like meeting agendas, presentations, materials from Eugenia's visit to TikTok's New York offices, but only if those materials concern actual or potential adverse impact on user safety. So it's not just everything, it's kind of specifically to do with this case and what it's trying to achieve, right? And for the live stream, what we might see are like internal analysis about whether Eugenia's incident was problematic or impacted youth safety, communications about media inquiries, communications with employees or PR firms about when it happened, which I imagine there would be something around that. Having worked in a big corporate before, I would be really surprised if HR and PR were not involved when that went down. And also user complaints that TikTok has received about adverse effects on youth safety. And so here's what's fascinating. The judge specifically cited because, quote, that there is thus a basis to conclude that TikTok received media inquiries, if not other investigations or other government inquiries, related to user safety based on or stemming from Cooney's May 2025 live stream. So the judge believes TikTok got media inquiries, and that means we'll get to see those communications. And also, quote, similarly, there is a basis to conclude that TikTok sent communications to employees and contract slash vendors, such as public relations firms, on whether or how to discuss whether Cooney's May live stream was problematic. So TikTok was coordinating their PR response, essentially, which makes sense to me. Of course they would, deciding on whether to acknowledge this publicly or not. And we're going to see those internal discussions too, unless they manage to find that loophole.